Good evening, dear students. This is your GK session. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay, that is do not feed monkeys. What is the lesson name? Do not feed monkeys. First, let's see what animals will eat. Okay, later on we'll see why we should not feed monkeys. You know that each and every animal has different food habits, isn't it? Each and every animal has different food habits. For example, tiger. What does tiger eat? Tiger eats meat. So if you ask tiger to eat curd rice, will it eat? No. So eating meat is the food habit of tiger. Like that, each and every animals will have different food habits. Now let's see what animals will eat. Lion. Lion eats meat. Okay, and the next one, deer. What does deer eat? Deer eats grass. An elephant eats fruits, sugarcane, coconut. And crocodile, it eats insect, fishes, frogs, lizards. Okay, and bear. What does bear eat? Bear eats grass, fishes, animals, small animals, insects. Okay, it eats both plants and animals. Okay, from where does these animals get food? From our kitchen. Should we cook chicken for a lion and tiger and give? No. So all the wild animals get their food in the forest. Okay, naturally they get their food in the forest. Like lion, tiger, deer, elephant, monkeys also get their food in the forest. Okay, naturally they will get their food in the forest. We should not feed them. Do you know why? If you feed the monkeys, they will forget how to search their food. Okay, because it is easily available, then there is no purpose of searching for food. So what will happen? Obviously they will forget how to search their food. So what will happen? Monkeys will become lazy. Yes, they will become lazy to search food. If monkeys become lazy, what will happen? They will not climb. Yes, climbing is the physical activity of a monkey. So if they are not climbing, what will happen? They will not be fit and healthy and they will fall sick. So have you seen zoo or circus animals? Are they happy? Are they happy? No, they are not happy. They are very sad. Why? Because they are not doing any physical work. They are simply sitting and they are unable to do their physical work. They are caged. If I ask you to be in cage for the full day, can you be? Can you be inside the cage without doing anything? Without playing? No, you cannot. Same like that, animals should be left free. They should not be caged in the zoo or circus. Animals will feel very sad if they are caged. Now let's see how monkeys are behaving in the forest. Okay, observe the video carefully. The animals are happily enjoying, no? Yes, because they are left free in the forest and they are not caged. So if they are left free and if we do not feed monkeys, obviously they will learn to search their food. Yes? If not, they will attack people and snatch food. Okay? We are giving food for monkeys, no? Are we removing the covers? No, we are giving the monkeys with the covers. So what monkey will do? Monkey do not remove the covers. They eat plastic covers and fall sick. It is unhealthy, no? Because of that, thousands of monkeys are dying. If you stop feeding monkeys, they will search for their food in the forest. Okay? Obviously, they can get their food in the forest, so we should not feed monkeys. Have you seen the signboard anywhere? Yes, it is a warning that we should not feed monkeys. Monkeys can live a healthy life only in forest, so do not feed them. Children, take page number 12 and write today's date. Okay, do not feed monkeys. Do not feed monkeys. Tick their natural food. Okay, so here they have given animals and this side food items. You should tick the natural food of that animal. First one, lion. And here they have given meat and fruits and vegetables. So what lion eats, meat or fruits and vegetables? Lion eats meat. Okay. And the next one, deer. What deer eats? Grass or what is this? It looks like cookies. Okay, let it be cookies. So what deer eats? Grass or cookies? It eats grass. So you should tick this. So same like that, for these three animals you only should tick. I will not tell you the answer. Okay. Next, activity 2. Tick the animals that look strong and healthy. Okay. So we should tick the animals that look strong and healthy. This side they have given animals in zoo and circus, and this side in forest. So what we should do, we should tick the animals that look strong and healthy. So which animals look strong and healthy? Animals in zoo or in forest? Obviously in forest, isn't it? So lion in a zoo and lion in a forest. Children, strike out this and change this into forest. Okay. So which animal looks strong? Animals in forest. So you should tick the box. You should tick correctly. Okay. And the next activity, list the places where you can see monkeys. List the places where you can see monkeys. Where you can see monkeys? In the forest, zoo, and near to the hill stations and all. So you can write the places where you can see monkeys. And the second one, list the food items that you give to monkeys. If you're seeing monkey, what are the food items you will give to monkeys? You should write that here. Okay. Take next page. But we should not feed them. Do you know why? Which is the only physical work monkeys do. What monkeys will do? Jogging, climbing, or lifting weight. Will monkey jog? No. Climbing? Yes. Monkeys will climb. Climbing is the answer. So you should take climbing. And here, if you feed the monkeys, they will forget how to search their food. Isn't it? If you feed monkeys, they will forget how to search their food. Then they won't climb. Monkeys will not climb. If they are not climbing, what will happen? They won't be fit and healthy, just as the animals in the zoo or circus. Are the animals in the zoo or circus healthy? No, they are not healthy because they are not doing any physical work. They will become lazy to search food. Have you seen the following scenes that happen regularly? Have you seen these scenes? If so, if yes, you can tick yes box. If no, then tick no box. Okay. If we feed them, what could happen next? Yes, road accidents. What will happen? Road accidents. Every day, thousands of monkeys die in accidents. Do you know? Thousands of monkeys die in accidents because we are giving so much of food, no? So the monkeys are not going to the forest. They are sitting near to the roadsides and waiting for food. So what will happen? They do not know to cross the road, right? So they will die. They are dying because of accident. And tick, how could you eat biscuits? So how will you eat biscuits, with cover or without cover? Without cover. So you should tick. Okay. Warning, eating a lot of biscuits is always unhealthy. Is eating biscuits healthy? No, it is not healthy. It is unhealthy. You should not eat biscuits. If we see monkeys, what we will do? We will give them food items we have. Okay, what we will have? We'll have fruits or else we'll have biscuits, chips, isn't it? So we are giving the biscuits and chips to the monkeys. So what monkeys will do? Monkey, do not remove the covers. Monkey, do not remove the covers. What they will do? They will eat with plastic covers and fall sick. Okay. Monkeys, they do not remove the covers and they will eat plastic covers and they will fall sick. Then who will help monkeys? Second one, tick which are the natural and healthy food for monkeys. Monkeys can live a healthy life only in forest. So don't feed them. Here they have given 3 answers. We should tick the answer which is natural and healthy food for monkeys. Biscuits, forest fruits and seeds, chips. Forest fruits and seeds. This is healthy and natural food for monkeys. And here, first one. What is all the natural food for monkeys? What monkeys will eat? Chips, forest fruits and seeds. What is the natural food of monkey? Forest fruits and seeds. Where can monkeys lead a healthy life? Apartments or forest? Forest. Where can animals be healthy and strong? Animals in forest. Add T here. Write T. Where can animals be healthy and strong? In forest or in a circus? Animals can be healthy only in forest. How can animals in forest get their food? By cooking. Will animals cook in the forest? No. By hunting? Yes. They will get food by hunting. Do monkeys attack people and snatch food? Yes, they are doing no. Yes, monkeys attack people and snatch food. If we feed the monkeys, they become energetic or lazy. They'll become lazy. Okay, students, you should complete this, okay? This is your homework today. Bye. Take care.